So, ladies and gentlemen, when looking at this value, we say we have our a equals e to the p times e raised to the RT. Again, my initial thing to help you guys out, my advice, is to, again, always find out the values. A is going to be equal my after value. A is my after value. P is my initial. Actually, we already know those. I already wrote those down, right? Let's just figure out what they are. So my after amount, is that what we're trying to find? Yes. So we're going to leave that there. P is our initial amount, which is $5,000. Then we have our rate, which is 7.2. Please remember that rates, whenever we're dealing with our interest rate, we're always entering those in decimal form. So it's going to be 0.072. And then T is going to represent our time, which is 20 years. So what I do is, when you guys are doing this, to avoid mistakes, you can plug it into your calculator. I always just like to follow the rules about order of operations. So I do 0.072 times 20, and I get 1.44. Then in my calculator, I'll do e raised to the last answer, or 1.44. Type that in. Now I'm going to get some decimal, because remember e is an irrational number, so you're going to get a decimal here. So therefore, to figure out my answer, I'm just going to do 5,000. Rather than trying to retype or round this, I'm just going to use the last answer in my calculator, which is the ANS button in your calculator, and just do 5,000 times my last answer, which was e raised to the 1.44, and I get 21,103. So I'll do 21,103.47. I'm not going to round it, because I don't think a bank would round your money. So I'll do 21,103. So therefore, it's not too bad. If you have $5,000, invest it. 20 years later, you have 21,000.